Alright folks, listen up. The Golden State has gone and done it again, passing a brand new law that's got everyone in a tizzy. The gist, you can't have any flammable materials within 5 feet of your home's exterior. Yep, that's right. No more classic wood fences right up against the side of the house, and hello to the new kid on the block, vinyl. Let's put a wood fence against vinyl in a fair fight, shall we? After a few minutes we can see that fire can really progress around vinyl. However, the wood is ready to turn into a Wild West. Clearly our winner is a vinyl. Sure, it might be a bit of a bummer to have to replace your old wooden fence, but trust me, it's worth it. So if you want a fencing option that checks all the boxes, safety, durability, and easy upkeep, self-extinguishing vinyl is the way to go. Upgrade your home and give yourself that extra layer of protection. Your family will thank you.